Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix error code null x, how you can fix Windows cannot be installed to this disk, GPT error. So how we can fix it? First you need to go to restoration menu. So how you can open this restoration menu? You can also open it from your computer. So just go to power and choose restart and just click shift when you press on restart. So also you can open it with your installation disk of Windows or from USB disk if you USB drive flash if you have your installation Windows on this flash. So after you get your disk, you choose not installation but restore Windows, and after you choose it, you will see this restoration menu. So advanced options, command prompt, and now we need to choose our administrator user, so user with administrator rights, and just to run command line in this administrator, with this administrator. So here you choose your administrator, and now you need to write your password. So just check if your keyboard layer is right, because it depends on correcting your password. So here you can see your command line. So just write here disk part. First command you need to enter. And now you need to wait after here you will see disk part as a command. So here you can see disk part. And now we need to write list disk. So here you will see your disk. You want to install your operation system, and here you must see in online. So after you write it, you choose this disk. So here you can see number of this disk. It's null. One, maybe you have more than one, so it will be null. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all list of your disks. Select. So how you can select this disk? You just write select and disk null, and just click enter. Here you can see you choose the disk null, that we successfully choose this disk. So after you choose it, you need to clean it. So but please understand that you will clean all the data of this disk. That's why it's really very important. Only if you do it only if you want to install your operation system and you know that you don't have important files on your disk. So just click enter after you do it. You just write clean and just click enter. I don't want to clean my disk because I have operation system installed on this disk. That's why I don't click it, but you click OK after you write clean, and after you write clean, just choose a command, write command convert GPT, and just click enter too. So after you choose convert GPT, you press exit, and second time exit, and you will successfully close our command line, and just click continue to opening our operation system. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.